Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be delving into the topic of hoarding disorder. We'll explore what hoarding disorder is, its impact on individuals' lives, the diagnostic criteria according to the DSM-5, and some of the theories proposed by psychologists. Additionally, we'll discuss the prevalence of hoarding disorder. So, let's get started. To begin, let's understand what hoarding disorder is. Hoarding disorder is a mental health condition characterized by persistent difficulty parting with possessions, regardless of their value. Individuals with hoarding disorder experience distress at the thought of discarding items, resulting in excessive accumulation of possessions that clutter living spaces and compromise their functionality. It's important to note that hoarding disorder is distinct from collecting or being messy. Collectors typically acquire and organize items purposefully and derive pleasure from their collections, whereas hoarding involves excessive acquisition and an inability to discard items, leading to significant clutter. According to the DSM-5, the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 5th edition, published by the American Psychiatric Association, there are specific criteria for diagnosing hoarding disorder. The DSM-5 provides the following criteria for diagnosing hoarding disorder. Persistent difficulty discarding or parting with possessions, regardless of their actual value. The difficulty discarding possessions is due to a perceived need to save the items and distress associated with discarding them. The difficulty discarding possessions leads to the accumulation of clutter that compromises the intended use of living areas. The hoarding causes significant distress or impairment in social, occupational, or other important areas of functioning. The hoarding is not attributable to another medical condition or a different mental disorder. Individuals with hoarding disorder often experience an intense emotional attachment to their possessions, which makes discarding them extremely challenging. They may believe that every item has inherent value or utility and fear that they may need them in the future, leading to the excessive accumulation of items. Now let's explore the impact of hoarding disorder on individuals' lives. Hoarding can have profound effects on various aspects, including physical, emotional, social, and functional domains. The physical impact of hoarding disorder is significant. Cluttered living spaces pose safety hazards, increasing the risk of falls, fires, and other accidents. Accumulated items may also impede ventilation, attract pests, or create unsanitary conditions, which can adversely affect an individual's health. Hoarding disorder takes an emotional toll on individuals. They may experience feelings of shame, guilt, and embarrassment due to the clutter and chaos in their living spaces. The distress associated with discarding possessions can lead to anxiety, depression, and isolation, as individuals may withdraw from social activities or avoid inviting others into their homes. The social impact of hoarding disorder is significant. Relationships with family, friends, and neighbors may suffer as individuals may be reluctant to have visitors or engage in social interactions due to their hoarding behaviors. This isolation can contribute to feelings of loneliness and exacerbate the emotional distress associated with the disorder. The functional impact of hoarding disorder is evident in the compromised usability of living areas. Excessive clutter can make it challenging to perform daily activities such as cooking, cleaning, or even finding necessary items. The hoarding behavior may result in restricted living spaces, leading to further dysfunction and decreased quality of life. Now let's discuss the prevalence of hoarding disorder. Research suggests that hoarding disorder is more prevalent than previously believed. The estimated prevalence of hoarding disorder in the general population ranges from 2% to 6%, making it a significant mental health concern. Finally, let's explore some of the theories proposed by psychologists to explain the development and maintenance of hoarding disorder. While the exact causes of hoarding disorder are not fully understood, Several theories provide insights into its origins. One theory suggests that hoarding disorder may be influenced by genetic and neurobiological factors. Research indicates that there may be a genetic predisposition to hoarding behaviors, as the disorder tends to run in families. Neurobiological studies have also identified abnormalities in brain regions associated with decision-making, executive functioning, and emotional processing in individuals with hoarding disorder. Another theory focuses on the emotional attachment individuals develop towards their possessions. Hoarding may serve as a way to manage or regulate intense emotional states. Possessions may provide a sense of comfort, security, or identity, leading to an overvaluation of their importance and an inability to discard them. Cognitive factors also play a role in hoarding disorder. Cognitive theories propose that individuals with hoarding disorder may have distorted beliefs about possessions and their significance. They may have an excessive need for control, fear of making mistakes, or concerns about future events that drive their hoarding behaviors. Environmental factors, such as early life experiences, traumatic events, or learned behaviors, can contribute to the development and maintenance of hoarding disorder. Childhood adversity, loss, or a lack of support may increase vulnerability to hoarding behaviors as a coping mechanism. Hoarding disorder is a mental health condition characterized by persistent difficulty discarding possessions, leading to excessive clutter and impairment in various areas of life. It has significant physical, emotional, social, and functional impacts. The DSM-5 provides diagnostic criteria, and several theories, including genetic, neurobiological, emotional attachment, cognitive, and environmental factors, help explain its development and maintenance. Thank you for watching today's video on understanding hoarding disorder, impact, DSM-5 criteria, and psychological theories. We hope you found it informative and gained a better understanding of this complex disorder. If you would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on mental health and psychology. Remember, seeking help and support is essential, and you're not alone in your journey. Take care and see you in the next video.